Alright guys, so before we begin with the video, we just want to do a shout out to Cardo, who has been sponsoring us recently, and just want to do a shout out to Cardo Packtop Neo. I've been using this recently for the past few weeks now, and I have to say there's an awesome Bluetooth intercom when you're riding. The JBL speakers sound quality is really unparalleled, I feel, and with the DMC technology fitted on the Cardo Packtop Neo, communication is definitely going to be improved when you're riding on the road with your partner or in a convoy. So once again, thank you Cardo for sponsoring us recently, and now back to the video.
Alright guys, so we are here for the launch of the Primavera right behind me, here in these two very colourful colours over here, as you can see. I have to say they look pretty sweet. So I forget that the Evite is actually beach theme. So you are supposed to wear something that's beachy, but then I'm wearing a liquid moly shirt and pants because I don't want to wear to the beach. Oh my god, I saw you at the gas station. Yeah, that was me on the Royal Enfield.
Just now, right?
Yeah, when raining, right?
No, I saw one guy like looking at me. I'm like,
oh, you got a cap, okay. Oh wow, no idea what's that, but yeah. Oh, keychain. Cute pearl. Okay, and then what's next?
that's all.
That's all. Anyway, guys, just a bit of intro. This is Putri, by the way. She's a TikToker. Hi, anything you want to say?
What?
Anything you want to say to the fans?
Fans, hi. I watched him what do you call that? Do the review of CB150R, which is my current bike. So I was like, still doing CDC at that time. So yeah, his video helped. So, and here we are now really, in the same event.
Now she quite popular also on TikTok. Don't play ho.
No. I'm not. Then you what? I popular than you what?
Nah, we normal only lah. So guys, I think this must be the new Vespa showroom. They are recently having a new place or something. Hey, this one the new Vespa showroom
Yes, correct.
Why you never tell me, sir?
Now I'm telling you lah.
You tell me bike launch only
No, I told you the new Vespa showroom.
Okay lah. What?
We need a favor from you, Fahan.
What is it?
This is the dance floor. We need you to dance.
You dance first. I not wearing beach theme.
Doesn't matter, bro.
You are a beach team today, man. Mafus looking great, man. The dance floor is lit. You can see the lights. They're on the shoes right now. Wow. This suits you more than the 150X.
Oh my god. Can you sponsor me?
No money. Take it or leave it, $1. Okay lah. We ask the organizer where.
My dream bike is Vespa, followed by XXR apa? Actually, no, I forget. 155, yeah. I got brain fight.
Oh, you like classic bike lah?
Yeah, I like. So, if pink color, I will buy already.
Check out the spread. I feel like I'm in Italy right now, man. With all the cheeses. Hey, hi, how are you, man? Thanks, man. Really appreciate it. I will come today. So this is the GTS. Not sure how many cc is this. I presume it's the 200. Man, Zah, I wish you could be here to witness this event with me, but he had to work, unfortunately. So this is the Aprilia Touareg 660 adventure bike. This doesn't look like a traditional adventure bike. Looks more like a scrambler, a Dakar off-road kind of thing. We also got a Moto Guzzi over here. Presume this is the V7 Special. I have not seen this bike before. I don't know much about this bike, but it looks pretty sweet, looks pretty classic. Has a kind of a V-twin kind of engine over here. Check out the spread over here. We got mini sandwiches, pastries, shrimp, shish kebabs, and I don't know, it's a quiche or something with some dessert. I cannot wait to dig in later. And there's also a bar over here serving drinks, but of course we're not gonna drink anything alcoholic.
Not just one, but two of a very iconic brand, Vespa. The Primavera color white and the GPS range. With the team on the ground, I'm very sure Vespa will take another leap forward. So without me going on and ranting, I would like to invite a good buddy, Director of Piaggio Asia Pacific, Mr. Nikolai.
Shoot on reach the target. Thanks, Eugene. You said almost everything. Welcome everyone to the Motoplex of Singapore. Finally, after almost 3 years, we have been able to reconnect with the market. We have been able to reconnect with our community, all the bike lovers, in a physical event. Enjoy the rest of the evening and Salamat Hari Raya as well. Thank you very much for being with us tonight. Thank you.
We will be serving dinner at 7:10 as we coincide with our fellow Muslim brothers and sisters breaking fast. Very fast we're going to be serving. After that, you all please enjoy the night. We have the dance floor, we have our DJ on the on the... Enjoy the night. Thank you everyone for coming.
So this is the Primavera Color Vibe Edition. I'm not sure what it's actually called, but it retains most of the Primavera's specifications with all the buttons and the gauge cluster. Nothing really new, more of an appearance kind of package. Alright guys, so let's get on the GTS right now. 300cc, I'm not sure if there's any key in it. There's no key. Of course, I think this has a TFT display or a LCD display, but the buttons are really the traditional kind of Vespa buttons. Honestly speaking, I can't wait to do a review on this because this will be my first ever Vespa review, I reckon. Alright guys, 10 more minutes to breakfast time. I'm pretty hungry. I just want to whack the buffet. Even though it's just like supposed to be light snacks, you know. Kau ambil air apa?
No alcohol one.
If I ask for water, they get offended or not?
They got no water also.
Alamak!
Got sparkling water lah.
Sparkling water je.
Maybe you can ask for ice. Tunggu cair.
Bang, Coke satu boleh? Coke. Okay, terima kasih. Time to break our fast lah.
Selamat buka.
Buka.
Belum lagi belum
Oh, belum eh?
Belum.
Oh.
5 minutes.
3 more minutes Confirm buka? 7:10. Confirm? Dah buka dah, Putri. Dah buka. Dah buka. Betul. Azan kau azan. Dah azan dah. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aku haus lah. Oh, this is Rider's Garage by the way ya. Another TikToker. Yeah, very famous. Kena langgar dengan bas, you know. How's the food? Good. Good food, huh? Can't go wrong because it's free. Because it's free, man. Now it's my turn to try the food, huh? As usual, I love these launches because of the food, huh? Alright guys, so now it's time for some dessert. Okay, I don't know what is this, but this looks really damn good. How does it taste like?
Cake. Creamy. Strawberry cake.
Strawberry cake.
If
Okay.
you like, you like. If you don't like, you don't like.
Okay.
You like strawberry?
I like strawberry.
Then you will like.
But I like chocolate more.
Oh, okay. Then I want chocolate.
It's so creamy. Like Putri say. And this one, I don't know what.
Chocolate tart.
Chocolate tart. Not kueh tart.
No, kueh tart. Kueh tart haven't yet. Then you buat.
One more week. I want
tapak kuda.
Tapak kuda. That one later go Geylang Serai.
Okay. You ambil
Okay. Yeah, cheers. Hey, come here. Hello, how are you? Glad to see you, man. Glad to see you. Hey, later join us. Look, guys, Zaihan is here. Are you covering the launch also?
No, I'm just eating free food.
Eating free food. So he's not writing an article today. He's just here for the food. Okay, Zaihan, any final words?
I need to eat more.
And that was Zaihan, you all from the new paper, aka the Biker Boy. This event has been pretty lit so far, as you can see. Wilfred, Putri have been exchanging Instagram. What do you have to say about the event?
Shock good Nice to see you guys here. Nice to meet good company, have a good chat. And it's really booming over here.
I love the food, Che. I'll buy all the Vespa if someone wants to sponsor me, Che.
I think it's very interesting. I love the food.
Will you take a bike license?
I will consider.
Great lah. I mean, I love the new colours. So I think quite interesting for Vespa and also all the other brands to come to Singapore.
This low Fred doing his thing with his A-Star 360. I'm gonna be in his shot, man. Oh, this one for TikTok, right? Hey, hi. Okay lah guys, so we're gonna end the vlog here. We just finished the after party at the Vespa Piaggio showroom.
Stay tuned now, we might have influencers meeting.
Yes. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Raya.
After Raya. Anything you want to say?
JB trip. Hopefully it will happen. You plan, right?
Yeah, I plan. Hopefully all can come. Including Wilfred. Wilfred must come also.
Organize,
Okay, I organize, can.
Give me all of your lies, 'cause you're my demon in disguise. I learned to